Want to learn how to make a healthy banana smoothie with just a few simple ingredients? Then keep watching. Hey, I'm Crystal K, and I help high achievers like you gain the healthy eating skills to more easily eat better in our modern food culture. And that is why today we are going to talk about how to make a banana smoothie. Banana smoothies are so amazing because they're chock full of vitamins like potassium and magnesium and vitamin C, and they have prebiotic indigestible fiber that our gut loves and also helps regulate our digestion. And they add sweetness and creaminess to our smoothies, making them delicious and healthy. And I'm so glad that you're here learning about how to make a banana smoothie because bananas are the base for so many delicious and nutritious smoothies. You will be able to take this recipe that I'm gonna share with you today and make a lot of smoothies without a recipe with whatever you got in the fridge. Combine it with your banana and it's gonna taste delicious. And I'll show you how right now. So for banana smoothies, there's basically three types of banana smoothies. There's the banana star smoothies, where the banana is the star and dominates the flavors of the smoothie. There's the banana co-star smoothies, where the banana is paired with something and tastes delicious alongside of something like, say, a strawberry banana smoothie. And then there is the banana supported smoothies. And that is where you basically are using the banana as a sweetener, but you're not really using it for the banana flavor. You just want the sweetness and the creaminess of the banana. Those are the banana supported smoothies. In just a second, I'm gonna show you how to make a banana smoothie that can serve as the base for all of these three smoothie types, so that you can either just drink this by itself and it be very happy and it's super delicious, or you can add one or two ingredients and get a lot of different variations so that you can, one, not get sick of it, and two, have a lot of variety. For this simple banana smoothie recipe, you're gonna need four things. There's the liquid, which is either a water or a nut milk or a milk. Then you're gonna need bananas, which can either be fresh or frozen. I have some frozen ones here. And then chia seeds we are going to use to thicken the banana smoothie, and a dash of salt. The salt brings out the flavor and makes it more hydrating. All right, let's start to make our smoothie. We're gonna start with our liquid, which is either gonna be straight water if you want, that totally works, or you can use an organic milk, or to avoid dairy, you can use a nut milk. The pre-made ones are nice and convenient, but they usually have some crap in there to thicken them and preserve them. Like this one has sunflower lecithin, which is not my favorite, so I try to avoid these when possible. What's a busy eater to do? Make a nut milk hack, which I show you how to in my nut milk hack video, link in the description. For now, just know that it is basically water, we'll do 2 cups, plus sprouted nuts, which are actually a lot easier to do than you think. These have been sprouted and frozen, and I'm gonna add about a half a cup to my smoothie. For 2 cups of water, about a half a cup of nuts, or 2 cups of nut milk, or 2 cups of water, okay? And again, if you wanna learn how to do that whole nut milk hack, then check out the video. Now we're gonna add our chia seeds, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And what these are gonna do is thicken it, as well as add fiber, protein, and gel water, which makes the smoothie even more hydrating. And then we're gonna add a dash of salt, a pinch of salt, which brings out the flavor and makes it more hydrating and well-rounded tasting. And then we're gonna add our banana, about 1 to 2 bananas. If you like it on the sweeter side, you're gonna want 2. Or thicker side, you can add 2, but the chia seeds should help us do that. And that's it. So all you gotta do is get your finger ready and push the button. All right, oh, go with me. All right, let's try it. So, and by the way, if you want to build the smoothie skills to easily have smoothies every day, then you should check out my daily smoothie challenge. It's designed to give you the guidance, tools, and resources to build a healthy smoothie habit so that you can more easily eat better every day without like any fuss or stress or making a big mess in the kitchen. You can literally learn how to have healthy smoothies on hand without any fuss, all right? So check that out, link in the description. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that's good. So, and if you want it a little sweeter, you just add a little extra banana. If you want, you can add some maple syrup, but I recommend trying not to use added sugars if you can help it. But if that's where your palate is, then go ahead and have that and try to ease yourself up to it so you can reduce your sugars over time. So yeah, if you got anything from this, please hit the thumbs up. And if you're a high achiever who wants healthy eating skills to more easily eat better in our modern food culture, then you should totally subscribe because that's the type of stuff I cover, and I'll be making a lot more videos for you. If you want to learn how to take this base banana smoothie and add like 1 or 2 other ingredients to get a whole variety of options with things you probably already have in the kitchen, then you should check out my videos with simple banana smoothie recipes. I think you'd really love it. All right, I'll see you soon, Thriver. Cheers.